Next question. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. Actually, the question is very easy and the question itself is the answer. You just read the question. The angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. So, I have drawn a circle here with the center O. I am marking a point P, external point P, and we know that there are two tangents from P. So, I am marking one as PA and the second one, let it be PB. Okay, again read the sentence. Angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point. Angle between two tangents drawn from an external point means which is the angle from the figure. Two tangents are PA and PB, isn't it? So angle between two tangents means this is the angle which is mentioned in the question. Again, is supplementary. Supplementary means two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum is 180 degrees. So one more angle must be there in the question. And what about the second angle set in the question? Supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. Angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. Which are the point of contacts? A and B. Joining the point of contact at the center means we have to join OA and OB. Point of contact is OA, center is O, so the line segment is OA, and here the point of contact is B, center is O, so line segment will be OB. Okay, and read the sentence again. Angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. So the question says about this angle, the angle formed by these two line segments. Okay, and what is that? The angle, first angle mentioned is this one and the second angle mentioned is angle O. And what is the question? We have to prove that they are supplementary. Supplementary means we have to prove, if I am marking as 1 and 2, I have to prove these two angles is supplementary. That means the sum of these two angles is 180. Okay. Forgetting about this angle, other than a circle, can you see any other shape in the figure? Yes, we can see a quadrilateral. Can you name the quadrilateral? The quadrilateral is OAPB. So that four-sided closed figure. It's a quadrilateral. And what is the angle sum of a quadrilateral? It is 180. So we can write angle O plus, angle A plus, angle P plus, angle B is equal to 360. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay, so sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 and quadrilateral is 360. So here angle 1 is P. So I will, instead of P, I will write angle 1. Plus, instead of angle O, I can write angle 2. Plus, what about angle A? Angle A is this angle, isn't it? That angle is formed by the radius with the tangent. So, how much is that angle? That is 90 degrees. Okay, same way. What about B? Angle B is this angle. That is again the angle made by the radius with the tangent, which is again 90 degree. So, plus 90 degree will give you the value 360 degrees. Okay, so 90 plus 90 gives you 180. So that angle 2 plus angle 1 plus 180 degrees is equal to 360. So that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 360 minus 180, which gives you 180 degrees. So we got angle 1 plus angle 2 as sum of angle 1 and angle 2 as 180 degrees, which implies what is angle 1, angle P, and which is angle 2, angle O. So angle P and angle O are supplementary. That was what we have to prove.